Welcome to this detailed review of FEX.net, a popular cloud storage service that's been catching attention for its simple pricing model, extensive storage options, and data security. If you're new to cloud storage, I'll break down the essentials here, walking you through the FEX.net platform, its core features, pricing, and terms of use to give you a clear picture of what to expect from this service. Let's start with the basics. FEX.net is a cloud storage solution known for offering vast storage capacities without the need for an annual subscription. Users can pay once for permanent access to their storage, which is perfect for people wanting long-term solutions. As of today, FEX.net provides options that fit varying needs, with a focus on reliable data storage and ease of access. You'll be able to store files, documents, videos, and photos, knowing that your data is securely managed. One of the biggest advantages of FEX.net is its affordability and flexible storage plans. For those looking to purchase a large amount of storage in a single go, FEX.net's one-time payment option for a significant amount of storage, like 10 terabytes, is a major draw. The platform doesn't require an annual subscription, so this can save you money over time if you need continuous storage without ongoing fees. The user interface on FEX.net is relatively simple, making it accessible even to those not very tech-savvy. With easy-to-navigate folders and straightforward tools, users can upload, download, and manage their files with ease. Additionally, FEX.net has put a lot of emphasis on data security. Your data is encrypted, meaning it's protected from unauthorized access, which is crucial for those handling sensitive or personal files. Mid-text integration. Buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever. No annual subscription at the link in the description of this video. In terms of pricing, FEX.net stands out for its straightforward, competitive rates. Unlike some cloud services that have hidden fees or complex plans, FEX.net's pricing is clear-cut, with no recurring fees. The ability to pay once and gain access forever is ideal for users seeking a long-term storage solution. Despite its many benefits, one thing to consider is that FEX.net might lack some of the advanced collaboration tools available in other cloud platforms, which are more focused on business applications. However, for individuals or small teams looking for a straightforward storage space without collaboration bells and whistles, this won't be a drawback. To sum up, FEX.net is an excellent choice if you need secure, affordable, and user-friendly cloud storage. With a wide range of storage capacities and a single payment model, it's a practical option for personal use or basic storage needs. If you're ready to simplify your storage without ongoing payments, check out the link in the description to buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever. Be sure to subscribe and like if you found this review helpful.